Hello! Hey guys! Long time no see! How have you been? A lot. I don't even know where to start. So today is October 2nd, which is the 1-year anniversary of when Nick and I finished the trail. Woo! Wow, I can't even believe it's been a whole year. It's absolutely crazy. It's been such a wild year, so that's an understatement. I hope all of you are well. Thought I'd just do a little video, our 1-year finish celebration. So as you can see, I put on my finest shirt. Might look familiar, not too smelly. It's clean. So I thought I'd surprise Nick with a little 1-year celebration with all of our favorite trail foods, which we haven't eaten a lot of these things in probably since the trail, because after we got done we were like, no more of that. But you know, I thought for this special occasion we should bring them back out. So let me show you what I got. Chips, of course, you gotta have chips, you know, gotta make sure they're extra crumpled too. We've got Oreos, gotta have the Oreos. Snickers, I got fun size because, you know, we haven't been hiking all day. M&Ms, some sour candy, ramen, and some mac and cheese. And then you can't forget, we used to always have emergency in our Tulsi jars, so bringing it back. Dinner of champions right here. Actually, so what I put out here looks like a lot now. I think this is a lot less food than I was eating on trail. I would have had a lot more than this. So that's what we've got. I'm really excited. I told Nick to come home early. Oh, because we also have a special call that we're making. You might just wait and see who our special guests are. And I'm gonna put on my PCT vlog playlist. Well, it's gonna be a hoot, let me tell ya. Anyway, so we're just waiting for Nick to get home now. What's been going on with you guys? Leave it in the comments below. What's been going on? Oh, I voted for the US, so very excited about that. If you're not registered to vote yet, you might still have time, so do it now. And otherwise, I hope you vote in November or earlier if you can. I love voting. I think it's so fun. On this year, I get to vote in New Zealand as well. It's my first time ever getting to vote in New Zealand, which I'm excited about. So I get to vote 2 times in 1 year. I feel kind of spoiled. Yeah, if you haven't watched any of the other update videos, Nick and I live in New Zealand. What else? Oh, we have managed to go on a couple little trips. Good morning. We just woke up in the van in this beautiful place. How you doing, Nick?
Wide awake.
So last night, Nick and I, we left Wellington around 5 p.m. A little after, basically right at rush hour, you know, perfect timing. And we headed up the coast. We are on our way to New Plymouth. But it's a pretty far drive, like almost 5 hours from Wellington, so we went about 2.5 hours last night, and then camped in our van. For those of you who haven't been watching this channel for a long time, we bought a van and renovated it to a camper van. There's all of those videos if you want to watch them. We're not experts, so, you know, no guarantees on actually learning anything, but, you know. Anyway, it's been a really long time since we've slept in the van, since before the PCT, so over a year. It was really nice to be back in it. It's really cozy, and we did spend some money on some like good foam pads, so it's really comfortable. So we just woke up and it's beautiful, and we're at the beach, and we're gonna eat some breakfast, and then we'll continue on our way to New Plymouth. I hope you're all doing okay. I know it's just a lot going on in the world right now, and it's pretty it's weird being in New Zealand. I mean, it's amazing. I feel very fortunate to be here, but you know, my family is in the US, and it's I don't know, it's just so hard to see. After just being in the apartment for so long, it feels so good to be out here. I feel like I can breathe again, you know?
She's vlogging!
Say something for the people.
Hello people, how you doing? Hope you're safe out there. It's cold.
So for those of you in the northern hemisphere, you might not realize it's winter here in New Zealand. That's why we're all bundled up and it's very cold. I can't feel my fingers. It's back like, you know, PCT days. But actually much better because we have so much stuff and so many layers, so we're actually all good. Oh, but we do have a little throwback to the PCT, what we're gonna eat out of. Dun 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 dun. Tell that teacher. We're going hiking! So Nick walks to work, it takes like 45 minutes, so he wears like walking clothes to walk to work and then changes when he gets there. But I noticed today that he put on his hiker shirt. So when he comes in the door and he's wearing his hiker shirt, that was not planned. He didn't know this was gonna happen, but it's just coincidence anyway. So yeah, that's that. It's like you can take the hiker out of the woods, but you can't take the woods out of the hiker. So we walk everywhere. It's great. We love walking. Wellington is a really good city for walking, fortunately. All right, let's wait for him.
Oh, no.
Happy trail anniversary.
The worst was when we're in this shirt.
That's the best part.
Oh, look at that. Oh, all the treats.
All the treats. Are you stunned?
I know, I'm shocked. I'm very shocked. But it's one of my favourites. Kind of makes me a little queasy looking at it right now. But oh, it's very cool.
How have you been for the past year?
Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. How have I been?
Yeah.
My life is a lot different than it was this time last year. And yeah, but biking Wellington. And just the way this year's gone, I feel pretty glad we got out there last year and got it done. So if you've been thinking about it, you should, if you get the chance and it's safe to do so, get out there and do it.
Okay, our next surprise is that we have a video call right now.
What? Who was?
We hiked about like 1,000 miles with them, maybe more, maybe less, I don't know. More, at least 1,000,
Yeah.
Probably more. It's Barton Party Tart! Yeah, represent. How are you guys doing?
Good, you guys are so
Loving
cute.
life.
You guys are living the freaking Colorado dream.
Yeah, we're pretty lucky to be
Pretty
here.
awesome. New Zealand doesn't seem too bad.
No.
How does it feel that it's been one whole year since we finished?
Crazy.
Yeah, pretty surreal. I feel like went 1 year from the beginning, so in April we were like, oh, we started a year ago, we're gonna look at pictures every day,
Yeah.
figure out where we camped last year, and I did that for like 4 days.
Yeah. Yeah, we did that because at first we said we were gonna watch the videos every day, or like watch them as they go, but then we only did that for like a couple days.
Yeah.
This year's just been crazy in general, so it feels like a whole different world that we actually did that.
Yeah, feels like a different lifetime.
Yeah. We actually moved here for jobs, but just so happened that Colorado is awesome, and we're loving it, and we're engaged now.
When you look back now, is there any particular time that stands out that you remember most?
I mean, this year was still the best part, but I find myself talking about Washington the most.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe because that was the last thing that we did.
Yeah.
But that's still so fresh in my mind.
Me
just
too.
how miserable that was.
It really was. Yeah.
That sticks out for sure.
Yeah.
I think about it a lot still.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, for sure.
Just reliving the trail. We're making ramen and some fresh broccoli, you know? Class it up. Also, we got spinach, make it healthier. So we did like to do this on trail, so. And then the best part that we learned to do on trail is you add in peanut butter. We got some fancy Wellington peanut butter here, but that makes it like the kind of like pad thai. So, woohoo! Oh look! Next trail spoon. Might as well use this.
Oh yeah.
Does it bring you back?
Back on trail, but warm.
We decided not to have the mac and cheese tonight, just go for the ramen. You know, we'll save that, you know, retreat for another day. They also didn't have Kraft or... Actually, I think we liked Annie's most on trail, but over here we got Diamond, so... Woo, can't wait to try it. What do you think of dinner?
It was good. Well, I mean, I think it would have tasted better if we'd done 25 miles or something.
Yeah, that's true. And if we were outside.
But it also feels good to be inside.
Yeah, it does. Very does. It looks real windy outside. If you didn't know, Wellington is the windiest city in the whole world. And we're coming into the windy season, which is spring. We didn't eat very many of the sweets.
No, I don't.
It's fine. We don't really need them these days. It's more just for novelty. Anyway, yeah, it's been a really wild year. I hope you guys are all well, staying safe, socially distancing if that applies to where you live, and getting out on some adventures if you can, and within safe reason. We're in spring right now in New Zealand. We're coming into summer, so we'll hopefully do some good summertime adventures.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll film some of them.
Should.
We should. Yeah, I know. It's just kind of like, you know, with everything going on, I just really haven't felt like filming, and we haven't really been doing much, and it's just been a lot. So it was actually a really good break not doing videos, but maybe now back into it. We'll see. We will see you guys next time. Hope you're all well and happy living, whatever you're doing. And happy trail anniversary to everyone else who finished on the 2nd of October. Woo!